There's always one task that needs an hour that you just don't have. So it just sits there waiting for you. Well, here's how Claude Cowork takes that task off your hands from your phone, works on it in the cloud while your laptop's closed, and has it finished by the time you're back. So let's say you have to hop in an Uber or go to the airport or go on some trip where you forgot to do some work. You can actually call it up from your phone. So I'll show you how. First up, let's play out the scenario. You gotta knock something out before your flight and your Uber's on the way already. So you're like, crap, I gotta deal with these receipts. So you open up Claude Cowork. In this case, we're on the desktop app. And then you go to, okay, where is that? So choose a different folder. I know I have it stored somewhere. So I can go to downloads and then maybe it's demo receipts. It's a demo. So click on that. All the receipts are here. So I choose that and there it is. I have skip on because I don't have time to approve everything and I'm okay if it just goes ahead and does it. I prompt it, go through my receipts folder and building one clean expense summary, flag anything that looks odd. If you hit a real judgment call, ask me instead of guessing. And when you're done, save the finished file in the same folder. And then maybe I get an alert that the Uber is here. So I go, okay, I send it off. And now I just go and hop in the Uber. But let's say you didn't have time for all that and you just have to do it directly from your phone. You're already out, you forgot to do the task. Well, inside of the Claude app on my phone here, I can go to the three lines on the top left and I can now choose Cowork, and then I can give it a new task and I can say act without asking so I don't have to worry about that. Yes, continue, and I can give it the exact same prompt and then I just hit send. But in this case, we already did that, so how about we just check how everything went? In this case, we want to send a dispatch that goes and double checks for us that that task was done, which was an expense summary for these receipts I had. Please go ahead and tell me if the expense summary spreadsheet was made based on my receipts from July 2026. I started it in Claude Cowork before I hopped in my Uber. And in this case, what I've done is I've gone to the Claude app and I've selected dispatch. And then I'm going to hit send. And just like that, we've got the response right here. Yes, it's done. The spreadsheet is saved and we know what it's saved as. It's in the receipts folder. Two things that it flagged for me. And it said just to confirm some other things. So I can easily send a follow-up right here in dispatch and tell it to do something else. But that is good to go. So now, let's say I am now at a hotel and I open up my laptop and get all set up on the Wi-Fi. I can go and check Claude Cowork itself in that same chat. And here it is. We have the expense summary as a Excel, which means that's real work finishing while you're somewhere else. The same handoff works for sorting a messy project folder or pulling the key numbers out of a stack of PDFs. Next time you're walking out the door, hand something off first by using Claude Cowork or Claude Dispatch.